You've been there. You write a detailed, creative paragraph, feed it to an AI video generator, and you get this glitchy, inconsistent mess. The reason 99% of AI video prompts fail isn't your creativity, it's your structure. While most people are writing stories, the pros are using a simple, structured format that tells the AI exactly what to do. And the data is undeniable. Recent benchmarks show that using this method helps VEO 3 achieve an 8.9 out of 10 on consistency, crushing the industry average of just 6.2. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the secret to this JSON method, no coding required, so you can finally get the cinematic results you've been looking for. So, you have this amazing idea. You type a simple text prompt into VEO, something like, a miniature action figure of a knight fighting a dragon in a castle. You hit generate, and you get something completely random. Maybe the dragon looks weird, the knight is missing its sword, or the castle is just off. Sound familiar? This is the core problem with the old way of prompting. These simple narrative prompts leave too much up to the AI's imagination. You're basically rolling the dice, hoping the AI understands your vision. It's frustrating, inconsistent, and a total waste of time. So you've probably been typing prompts like this and getting results that are, well, a little unpredictable. It's frustrating when the AI doesn't understand your vision. But what if I told you there's a new way, a method the pros use to get precise control over their results? It's called structured prompting. Instead of one long sentence, you give the AI a simple recipe with clear instructions for the scene, the style, the camera movement, everything. Now, I know what you're thinking. This looks like code. I can't code. And here's the best part. You don't have to. You don't need to write a single line. In fact, we're going to use a simple trick where another AI writes these prompts for us. It's the ultimate beginner-friendly workflow. And to make this even easier, I've put together a free VEO JSON Prompt Starter Kit with 3 templates you can just copy, paste, and customize. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to get it later in the video. All right, let's break this down. At first glance, this block of text looks intimidating, right? It looks like code, but I promise you it's much simpler than that. Think of it less like coding and more like a very specific recipe for your video. This structured format is what the community is calling a JSON prompt. And according to the latest research, it consistently gives you way more control than just typing a regular sentence. Let's focus on the 3 most important parts to get you started: scene, style, and camera. First, you have the word scene. This is the who and what of your video. Is it a tiny action figure exploring a giant keyboard? Or a majestic dragon flying over a city? This is where you describe the core action. Next, the style. This is where the magic happens. Do you want it to look photorealistic, like a vintage cartoon? Or maybe claymation? By changing just this one line, you can completely transform the feel of your video without changing the scene at all. Finally, the camera. This is your director's chair. You can tell VEO exactly how to film the scene. Do you want a dramatic dolly zoom? A tracking shot that follows the action? Using cinematic terms here is a pro tip for getting amazing results. Mastering these 3 parts is the foundation. And to make it even easier, I've created a starter kit with 3 copy-paste templates you can use right now. It's called the VEO JSON Prompt Starter Kit, and you can download it for free using the link in the description. Okay, so you see the power of JSON, but maybe you're thinking, I'm not a coder. This looks complicated. Well, what if I told you that you never have to write a single line of this yourself? This is the ultimate beginner workflow, the secret that unlocks everything. You let another AI write the prompts for you. Watch this. I'm here in Gemini, and I'll just type my simple idea in plain English. A miniature astronaut dancing on the moon, cinematic style. And just like that, Gemini generates the perfectly structured JSON prompt for VEO 3. It knows exactly what to include, the scene, the style, even specific camera movements. All I have to do is copy this code, switch over to VEO, and paste it in. That's it. That's the entire workflow. And to make it even easier for you to start, I've put together a starter kit with 3 of my favorite ready-to-use JSON prompts. You can grab the VEO JSON Prompt Starter Kit for free from the link in the description. Now, let's hit generate and see the magic happen. Look at that result. From a simple sentence to a complex, beautiful video, all without writing any code. All right, enough theory. Let's put this all into practice. Here's the entire workflow, from a simple idea to a finished, high-quality video in about 90 seconds. First, I'm not going to write any code. I'm just going to ask an AI, like Gemini, for what I want. My idea is a miniature mouse knight discovering a giant strawberry in a forest with morning light. The AI instantly structures this idea into the JSON format that VEO understands. See? It defined the scene, the character, and even a cinematic style. Now we just copy this entire block of text and head over to VEO 3. We paste the prompt right in. And here's where the magic happens with the new update. And most importantly for social media, we're choosing the 9:16 vertical format perfect for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. We hit generate, and look at that. A stunning vertical video, ready to go viral, created from a single sentence. And if you want to skip the generation step and start with proven templates just like this one, I've put together a free JSON Prompt Starter Kit with 3 of my best templates. The link is right there in the description. All right, to get you started instantly, here's the basic starter template right on screen. You can screenshot this right now to use later. It has the 3 core structures we just covered: the scene, the style, and the camera commands. This is the easiest way to start. Now that you have this core template, let's bring it to life and build our first real prompt together.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below.